现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and here's a very easygoing, laid-back song, right? In fact, the song is titled Haven't Slept Yet, or in Hakka, Hamang Sui Mong. Now, it's not really about who has slept yet or not. It's about the lead singer missing her family, thinking about her grandma and grandpa, and wondering if they have slept yet. And also thinking about the things that they do, like making lei tea or lei cha, or the printed cloth clothing that grandma had on. It's a very sweet song about family, but still brings out the heritage of the Hakka culture, and it's by the group Urban Mao Urban Cat. Again, this is Hamang Sui Mong.
其实我原本和你一样不会说客家话，我想起阿叔在石田旁抓光牛给我，是自染过布的颜色，那些微微小小的客家庄的游戏，那些你长大后的珍惜。
哇，听得出来我们二本猫啊非常想念客家老家。这首歌叫做《航忙睡梦》，就是还没睡梦哦。它是一首思念家里的歌曲哦，思念阿公阿嬷现在是不是睡觉了？我在想你。然后呢，想到以前他们做的擂茶，还有阿婆的花布等等哦。用非常懒洋洋的音乐跟歌声呢，来衬托出他对家的思念以及客家文化的一些特色。Well, that does it for another Hakka song here on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.